Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, your #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day. Today we're gonna be doing a full body workout. Transformers, let's go. Our first exercise, we're gonna be going into skull crushers. Elbows up, extend the arms, 45 seconds, let's go. As you extend the arms up, you're gonna breathe out. You wanna make sure to keep those elbows pointing up to the ceiling the whole time. Good, keep that core engaged. We're gonna work the triceps. Good, nice work. These are called skull crushers for a reason. Watch your forehead here. As soon as the weights come down, we're gonna extend the arms, squeeze the triceps at the top. Good work, you guys. Great way for toning up the back of the arms. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. We're gonna drop the weights. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some knee crunches. Arms are gonna be straight. You wanna crunch up, touch your knees, and back down. Try to get both those shoulders off the floor, targeting your upper abs. 2, 1, and let's go. 45 seconds. As you come up, you're gonna breathe out. I wanna see you guys touching the top of the knees. Really feel that core working. Crunch up as high as you can. Good, and as soon as you come down, go straight back up. Try not to rest at the bottom. Nice work. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. All right. Next exercise, we're gonna be doing some bridges. You're gonna lift your hips up, keep that core tight, squeeze your bum, and then back down. We're gonna be pushing up through the heels. 2, 1, and let's go. 45 seconds. Nice work, guys. Guys are doing great. Every time you lift the hips up, breathe out. Good, great way for working, strengthening, activating the glute muscles. We got 20 seconds. Good, just about there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, let's do a quick figure 4 stretch. Ankle over your knee, let's grab and pull. Nice work. You do have a 30-second break coming up. Probably just enough time to grab some water for me to explain the next exercise, and then we're gonna get started. Let's do a quick stretch on the other side. Again, if you need to grab some water, you can quickly grab some water. Our next exercise coming up, we're gonna be doing some dumbbell pullovers. So you need to grab a weight, small bend in the elbows, keep the back flat here, shoulders strong, and then we're gonna pull the weights right over your chest. You're gonna squeeze the armpits at the top, you're gonna work the lats. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dumbbell pullovers. Let's go, 45 seconds. Shoulders strong. Try not to fully bend the elbows. You just want a small bend in the elbow, and then here, you wanna extend, and then you want to breathe out at the top. Nice work. As soon as you come up, straight back down. Good work, you guys. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. We're gonna flip over to our side. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing a side leg raise. So here, my leg is gonna be straight, toes pointing forward. I'm going to lift my leg up and then I'm going to go slow on the way down. Ready? And let's go. We got 45 seconds. Kids, great way with strengthen the hips, strengthen the glute meads. Nice work, guys. And then take your time going down. Don't just let your leg drop down. You want to control on the way down. Strong on the way up, control on the way down. Nice work. Keep going. Halfway there, 20 seconds. Lift the leg up nice and high as you can. Control on the way down. As soon as you come down, straight back up. Finish strong here, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. We're gonna flip over to the other side. Same exercise. Good, and we're gonna lift up here. Ready position. And let's go. We got 45 seconds. Keep the legs straight. As you lift the legs up, breathe out. Keep the knees straight the whole time. Good. As you get tired, you're gonna feel like the toes want to point up to the ceiling. Keep your toe pointing towards the screen the whole time. Halfway, 20 seconds. Good, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work again. After this 15-second transition, you get a 30-second breather, and then you can join me with some chest presses. All right, guys, let's get ready for our next exercise, chest presses. You're gonna grab a weight. Weight is gonna be right over your chest. As you press, the weight is still over your chest. Common mistake I see is when people are pressing up, the weight is over their head. This is gonna be really hard on the shoulders. So you want the weight right over your chest. Down, elbows tucked in slightly, and then you're gonna push. We got 45 seconds, and let's go. Good, and as you push up, you're gonna breathe out. Yeah, you're gonna feel the chest working, you're gonna feel the triceps working. Good, and as soon as those elbows touch the floor, we're gonna come straight back up. Breathe out at the top. Nice work, guys. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. We're gonna drop the weights carefully. Next exercise, we're gonna be doing some plank leg lifts. You're gonna be in a plank position, hands underneath the shoulders, bum and down. From here, I'm going to lift my right leg, lift my left leg. Let's go, 45 seconds. Every time you lift the leg up, you're gonna breathe out. Okay, keep the legs straight as you're lifting the legs up. Squeeze your bum to the top. Keep that core firing the whole time. Lift the left leg, lift the right leg. Keep breathing, guys. Nice work, keep the head back. Okay, if you can't do any more, just hold the regular plank. But these ones should be pretty easy. 5 more seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, our last exercise of this video, we're gonna be doing some mountain climbers. Again, you're gonna be in a plank position, and from here, we're gonna drive the knees up as if you're sprinting on the spot. I want you guys to go quick while keeping the core tight. 2, 1, and let's go. This is our last exercise for this video. Go as fast as you can. Drive those knees up. Knees up, knees up. Go over, guys, 30 seconds. Good, keep the bum down. Continue to breathe. Good, keep those shoulders strong. 10 seconds coming up. I want you guys to be sprinting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for your free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.